the Audi A1 4-door. What I found with the 4-door is that finding parts is quite hard. So I came across the rear diffuser because I wanted to add a bit more style to the rear of the car. If you've watched my other videos, you'll see I've done quite a bit to the front. Got the honeycomb grille, splitter, fog lights, honeycomb spotlight grills. So if you haven't checked them out, jump over, watch them. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe, help the channel. Today we are going to install this. We're going to remove the back bumper, remove the original style diffuser sort of thing, and we're going to look to see how this fits, and if it needs any other modifications or it's an easy install. So we will do the usual: remove the bumper, remove this, install this, see how it looks. Now you can get this in two types of carbon. There's this one, there's the kind of flake style one. You can get it unpainted and you can get it in the black. So on the front I've got a lot of the black style. On the rear I'm going to do just the carbon fibre on the bottom, and we'll see how this looks. So as normal, guys, we'll go through the tools. Going to need your axle stands. You're going to be working under the car, so for safety reasons, that's my little helper. He's going to help out today, supervise the install. You're going to need your jack, you're going to need your hex screws. They do come in screwdriver form. I like to use these ones because I put them in the drill and get them off a lot easier. You're going to use your trim clips as well. If you watch my front bumper removal install, it's basically the same, guys. You're going to have some in the top, you're going to have them along the bottom, and you're going to have them in the wheel arch area. So it's usually 3 or 4 down the wheel arch, 6 or 8 along the bottom, and 2 or 4 across the top. I did have a look before starting, and if we go to the inside, guys, so guys, looking at the inside here, we get these plastic screw type removals that hold the bumper in. Now I believe this bumper's been off before, looking at the way it's sitting, and someone has kind of threaded the top, so the hex screw is not going to fit in. So if you do come across this, guys, it's quite easy. It's plastic, so just go the next size up. And what you want to do is just get a little hammer, chap that in, and that will give you a good enough grip to remove that, because it's only plastic, so these tend to wear out when you're unscrewing, or someone's just over tighten and it's rounded that off inside. You can have a look. So we're just going to go size up, or 2 sizes up. Give that a little chap in. It's plastic, it will just thread back in, and then you should be able to remove that. Normally the ones on the inside here are metal, along under the bottom are metal. These are plastic, so we will chap that out. So first things first, jack the car up, axle stand under, remove the bumper, and see how this goes.
Profiles clean, Pirelli gripping tight when it leans in the bend on the adjustable. Still moving on, still moving up, I don't stay gone. Been pretty tough, the grind, the ups and downs, but bounce back now. Look at me now, trying hard to build what I said I would for the love of my channel. Dan must understood. Dan must.
Alright guys, we have removed the bumper. I had to remove the rubber trim here, that was actually connected onto the bumper. Taking the bumper off, just make sure you get your hands in to remove the parking sensors first before you actually pull it off. It's a simple screws underneath, screws in the inside arch, and it will have plastic clip. So you just got a wee yank, they'll pop off. Now with the diffuser, before stripping the bumper down, I have lined it up and checked for measurements to make sure it's all going to fit nicely, and I found out it's the wrong one, guys. I believe this is for a 2-door, so I ordered a 4-door, took months, and it is short. It's not the right size, so I'm going to cease the video there. No point continuing on. I'll have to put the bumper back on and send this part. So we'll have a wee look, guys, and I'll show you what I mean. So if you look along here, if you match the exhaust up with the exhaust, it's too short. I'm assuming this will be the light match. But yeah, I believe this is for a 2-door, not a 4-door. So this is the risks you take with AliExpress. So after waiting months and months for this to arrive, now I'm going to have to return it and get a refund. So this is the joys you come across, guys. You will buy stuff. I mean, as you see, watch my other videos, there's a lot of AliExpress stuff there. It's been pretty good. It's fitted really well, looks really nice. And then some days you come across this where you get the wrong parts sent out. So yeah, I'm not going to do any further from here, guys. Bumper's off. When you remove the bumper, guys, just make sure you get the parking sensors removed first before you actually pull the bumper off. So in today's video, hit or miss, AliExpress. This was a miss for sure. We shall move on to the next video shortly, and hopefully that has a better results. This is the joys with AliExpress. Most of the stuff I've bought, as I said, came through really good. If you do buy big stuff, it tends to take a lot longer. This was 3 to 4 months. It was advertised for a 4-door. Not sure what's happened, but you know, that's the joys. So anyway, we'll leave it at that, guys. Please subscribe and watch out for the next video, and we shall see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Big turbos tucked in, got the lane on tilt. Boost hits hard when the new parts built. Wide grin in my face when the wastegate sings. Red and digs in, let the whole road ring. Big road, the kit, low profiles cling. Pirelli gripping tight when it leans in the bend on the adjustable. Still moving on, still moving up. I don't stay gone. Been pretty tough, the grind, the ups and downs, but bounce back now. Look at me now, trying hard.